Hi, my name is Rory Katz, and I am the head of graphics and communication for the United Nations Postal Administration. I am here today to introduce you to new United Nations stamps entitled, "We are all in this together, help stop the spread of COVID-19. It has been 5 months since the World Health Organization declared COVID-19 a pandemic, and the number of people who have contracted the virus continue to rise. We have all been affected by this global pandemic in so many ways. We at UNPA decided that it was important to pay tribute to our frontline workers and help raise awareness about the ways in which we can protect each other during this crisis. We also wanted to contribute to the COVID-19 Solidarity Response Fund to support the work of the World Health Organization. Donations to this fund help countries to prepare and respond to the virus, track and understand its spread, making sure patients get the care that they need, support for frontline workers to ensure they have access to essential supplies and information, accelerate research and development of vaccine and treatment. Surcharges have been added to these stamps for this purpose, which will go directly to this fund.
The COVID-19 pandemic has highlighted global interconnectedness. No society has been spared. No economy has gone unscathed. We are all in this together. To further highlight that message, the United Nations is issuing postage stamps that convey 6 key public health messages. Wash your hands, practice social distancing, recognize the symptoms, beware of myths, be kind to each other, show solidarity. The stamps also pay tribute to the healthcare workers and essential frontline responders around the world. These dedicated professionals inspire us all, and we stand with them all during these difficult times. Some of the proceeds for the stamp will go to the COVID-19 Solidarity Response Fund to help the World Health Organization in its critical work. Let us all work together to overcome the crisis and recover better. Thank you.
Dear colleagues and friends, the COVID-19 pandemic is an unprecedented challenge. This global threat requires a global response. Today, I would like to offer my sincere thanks to the United Nations Postal Administration, which is issuing postage stamps to honor frontline health workers and to raise awareness about COVID-19. The stamps highlight 6 key public health issues: promoting personal hygiene, maintaining physical distancing, knowing the symptoms, spreading kindness, preventing misinformation, and finally, acting in solidarity with WHO and others fighting to control the pandemic. The UNPA is graciously donating a portion of the proceeds from the sale of the stamps to the COVID-19 Solidarity Response Fund, which supports WHO's global response to COVID-19. Only by working together in solidarity will we overcome the COVID-19 pandemic. I thank you.
In March of 2020, the United Nations put out a global call to creative people around the world to come up with visual images to help convey important information about the spread of COVID-19 and ways in which we can protect ourselves. It was also a way to unite the world in solidarity through a unified message. Thousands of people from around the world came together to support the United Nations and WHO's efforts. As a result, there is now a library of artwork that will educate, uplift, and inspire individuals and communities through this global crisis. For our stamp sheet, we wanted to pay tribute to all the frontline workers for everything that they do for us. We selected an image of a healthcare worker with "Thank you" written in many languages covering her mask to echo the sentiment that we have all been feeling since this pandemic began. The illustration was created by Chiara Fiore of the United States. We hope that by working in solidarity, we can help stop the spread of this global pandemic. No one can do everything, but everyone can do something. Together, we can save lives, protect resources, and care for each other. Please visit the WHO website for more information about their work and the COVID-19 Solidarity Response Fund. And please visit unstamps.org to purchase these stamps. We thank you for your support.